The tiger, Panthera tigris, is a member of the genus Panthera and the largest living cat species native to Asia. It has a powerful muscular body with a large head and paws, a long tail, and orange fur with black, mostly vertical stripes. It is traditionally classified into nine recent subspecies. Though some recognize only two subspecies, mainland Asian tigers and the island tiger of the Sudan island. And the scientific classification of the tiger, that is domain Eukaryota, kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Carnivora, suborder Feliformia, family Felidae, subfamily Pantherinae, genus Panthera, species Panthera tigris. And throughout the tiger's range, it is inhabits mainly forests from coniferous and temperate broadleaf and mixed forests in the Russian Far East and northern East China to tropical and subtropical moist broadleaf forests on the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. The tiger is an apex predator and preys mainly on ungulates, which it takes by ambush. It lives a mostly solitary life and occupies home range, defending these from individuals of the same sex. The range of a male tiger overlaps with that of multiple females with the whom he mates. Females give birth to usually two or three cubs that stay with their mother for about 2 years. When becoming independent, they leave their mother's home range and establish their own. Since the early 20th century, tiger populations have lost at least 93% of their historic range and are locally extinct in West and Central Asia, in large areas of China, and on the island of Java and Bali. Today, the tiger's range is severely fragmented. It is listed as endangered on the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species, as its range is thought to have declined by 53% to 68%. Since the late 1990s, major threat to tiger are habitat destruction and fragmentation due to deforestation, poaching for fur, and the illegal trade of body parts for medicinal purpose. Tigers are also victims of human-wildlife conflict as they attack and prey on livestock in areas where natural prey is scarce. The tiger is legally protected in all range countries. National conservation measures consist of action plan, anti-poaching patrol, and a scheme for monitoring tiger populations. In several range countries, wildlife corridors have been established and tiger reintroduction is planned. The tiger is among the most popular of the world's charismatic megafauna. It has been kept in captivity since ancient times and has been trained to perform in circuses and other entertainment shows. The tiger features prominently in ancient mythology and folklore of cultures throughout its historic range and has continued to appear in culture wildlife.